Armed Forces Special Powers Act. It was enacted in 1958 in the context of increasing violence in the northeastern states. AFSA gives armed forces the power to maintain public order in disturbed areas. They have the authority to prohibit a gathering of five or more persons in an area, can use force or even open fire after giving due warning if they feel a person is in contravention of the law. If reasonable suspicion exists, the army can also arrest a person without a warrant, enter or search premises without a warrant, and ban the possession of firearms. The act was imposed in Assam in November 1990 and it has been extended every 6 months. Falcon Falcon AWACS or Airborne Warning and Control System is the India's first AWACS which is capable of detecting any aerial threats more effectively than ground-based radars. It is also capable to defend the Indian Air Force against cruise missiles and hostile aircraft more efficiently. Falcon is an Israel-made AWACS which played crucial monitoring role along with indigenous Netra Airborne Early Warning and Control System during the surgical strike at Balakot against the Jaish-e-Mohammed and other terrorist groups. Archana Mahanta, 1948 to 2020, seasoned Assamese singer, and she passed away on Thursday, along with her husband late Khagen Mahanta. Archana Mahanta is credited with popularizing Assamese folk music in a long singing career. The musical couple often perform together, singing many duet hits. She is the mother of singing sensation Angarak Papon Mahanta. Atmanirbhar Bharat. Atmanirbhar Bharat or Self-Reliant India Mission is a campaign launched by the central government of India as part of the relief measures in the aftermath of COVID-19. It included an economic stimulus package of rupees 20 lakh crore and a number of reform proposals. He declared the economic package with a call for self-reliant India. Eco-sensitive zones or ecologically fragile areas are areas within 10 kilometers around protected areas, national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. ESZs are notified by Ministry of Environment and Forest Conservation, Government of India under Environment Protection Act 1986. The basic aim is to regulate certain activities around national parks and wildlife sanctuaries so as to minimize the negative impacts of such activities on the fragile economic system encompassing the protected areas. European Union. It is an economic and political union of 28 member states that are located primarily in Europe. European Union has launched a single European currency which is called the euro and its capital is in Brussels, Belgium. Zero rupee note. Zero rupee notes were issued by the NGO Fifth Pillar to fight corruption. The notes were paid in protest by angry people to government officials who sought bribes in return for services which are supposed to be free. Udan Ure Desh Ka Aam Nagrik was launched as a regional connectivity scheme under the Ministry of Civil Aviation in 2016. The objective of the scheme is to create affordable yet economically viable and profitable flights on regional routes so that flying becomes affordable to common man even in small towns. The scheme envisages providing connectivity to unserved and underserved airports of the country through the revival of existing airstrips and airports. The scheme is operational for a period of 10 years. Land banking. It is a practice of aggregating parcels or blocks of land at current market rate or lower for future sale or development. A land aggregator aggregates land by tracking the geographical and topological locations which are primed for investment based on social infrastructure and demographic factors. National Testing Agency (NTA). It has been established as a premier specialist autonomous and self-sustained testing organization to conduct entrance examination for admission of fellowship in higher educational institutions. NTA will be chaired by eminent educationists appointed by Ministry of Human Resource Development or HRD. It will relieve AICTE, CBSE, and other agencies from the responsibility of conducting the separate entrance examinations. Thank you for today.